My name is Jordan Mittler, and welcome to Mittler Senior Technology's Basics course, designed to introduce you to the world of technology and the basic skills necessary to use a computer, tablet, and smartphone. This class is our flagship course, our first ever produced, and has been taken by thousands of senior citizens across the globe. It's the perfect first step for anyone looking to feel more confident, independent, and connected through technology. This course consists of 10 lessons, with each taking approximately 30 minutes to complete. And each lesson includes supplementary handouts and a short homework assignment to ensure that you picked up on all the important concepts and skills. This course requires absolutely no prior knowledge. In fact, many of the students in our Basics program have only recently purchased their first devices. This course is pre-recorded and can be done at your own pace. Although we recommend completing one lesson each week, you can go through the course as slowly or quickly as you would like. And once purchasing the course, you have access to its content forever, allowing you to rewatch lessons and recomplete assignments. And finally, if you make it all the way to Lesson 10, you will receive a Certificate of Achievement from Mittler Senior Technology, congratulating you on your success in the course. So what's actually covered in the class? Lesson 1, what makes a computer a computer? This lesson takes a top-down approach, introducing you to the major concepts and ideas in technology, and ends with a more micro look into apps, icons, windows, and more. At the end, we look at the Messages app and the Contacts app on your smartphones. Lessons 2 and 3 look into the mouse and the keyboard, the two essential components for interacting with your computer. Dragging and dropping, moving the cursor, double-clicking, and more. And we finish each of these lessons by looking at the Weather app, Calendar app, and Camera app on your smartphones. In Lesson 4, we dive into one of the most essential technology topics in the 21st century, the Internet. What it is, how it works, and of course, how to use it to make your life easier. And at the end, we look at the Clock app on your smartphones. In Lessons 5 and 6, we explore email, how to communicate with your family and friends online, how to create an account, send an email, respond to an email, and manage your inbox. CC, BCC, forward, reply, we'll cover it all. And at the end of these lessons, we'll look at the Photos app, Stocks app, Internet app, and Calculator app, all on your smartphones. In Lesson 7, we'll take a pause to review. We will go through a bunch of tasks related to the topics discussed in the course thus far. We'll finish by looking at voice assistants and Siri in particular. In Lesson 8, we'll look at one of the most popular tools available on your computers, Microsoft Word. How to create documents, add images, and format text. We'll conclude this lesson by looking at the FaceTime app and the Phone app on your smartphones. Lesson 9, Common Websites. In this lesson, we'll look at online shopping using tools like Amazon and FreshDirect. And we'll look at online streaming using tools like YouTube. We'll also look at the News app and Reminders app on your smartphones. And finally, Lesson 10, the final class. We'll spend the majority of the class playing a Jeopardy review game, covering and reviewing all the material from the course. And then you will, of course, receive your Certificate of Achievement. So that is Mittler Senior Technology's world-renowned computer and smartphone basics class, available at mittlerseniortech.com/basics. If you have any questions or need help getting started with the course, please reach out to info@mittlerseniortech.com. Good luck and enjoy the course.